So this is a budget racing frame from xtshinta.com. It goes for about $16 and I thought I'd give it a look. It's designed for 5-inch props. It's got enough height for at least 3 boards on the stack, and it's made for micro cams. It's nothing special in the packaging department, but the quality of the carbon fiber is actually pretty decent. It's got a smooth finish and it's even got chamfered edges. It's very particular in how you put it together. You can see there's a little notch on the front arms and the back arms are squared away. So make sure you get that right, otherwise the holes won't line up and you just won't be able to put it together. Otherwise, you just put 2 screws in each arm and add the standoffs and put the side plates for the camera on there, and it's done. It's really one of the simplest frames you can put together. And once it's all put together, it's pretty sturdy. There's not too much wiggle in the arms, and it's got a real nice lightweight feel to it. I actually really like it. I was impressed. I thought it'd be kind of junk for the price, but as far as racing frames are concerned, it gets the job done, and for $16, really can't complain. The arms are 5mm thick, and the base plate is 3mm, and the top plate is 2mm. So it should hold up in a crash, but I'm not sure if spare arms are available, so you probably just need to buy a spare frame just in case. Let's see how it looks with a couple components so you can kind of have an idea what the space constraints are. I've got the Diatone Mamba F405 here, and you can see that there's plenty of room for a VTX and a receiver. Got the Caddx Rotel here. It has 3 holes for the camera, so you can have it stick out less if you'd like. Weighs 72 grams. Now it only has 2 holes for the motor mount, and while that's becoming more and more common, it may be a concern, so take it for what it is. All in all, it's a pretty decent frame for a budget build. Hope you enjoyed the video.